Hello! In this topic, we will see how we can crop our photo, how to apply effects to it, and how to duplicate it. Let's come back to our Canva. Now let's go to the left side menu, click Elements, and let's search for a photo. I'm entering Lithuania. Click Enter, and let's choose Photos. And I'm choosing this one photo. Click on the photo, and now we can crop it. We can take it straight to the side and cut it, like this. When it suits us, we can click near the design, and here you go. Or the next way, we can click on the photo, and on the top menu, we see that here we can click crop. Click crop, and we see that we have two options. We have smart crop, and we can adjust the position, and if it suits us, we can click done. Or we can click crop, and we can choose aspect ratio. We can choose freeform, and now we can adjust the area, and when it suits us, we can click done, or we can click near the design. Or we can come back and we can choose aspect ratio like 1:1 or 16:9 or etc. When we choose aspect ratio, we can adjust position. Just take and drag. Here we can rotate our photo or click auto rotate. And when it suits us, we can click done. And here you go. So photo we can crop. Also, photo we can adjust. We can click on the photo and we can make it bigger or smaller. We can click on the photo and go to border style. And here we can add the border. We can choose border style here and border weight. Also, we can click on the photo and we can make corner rounding. We can adjust. And here you go. We can flip our photo, flip horizontal or flip vertical. Next, we can add filters to our photo. Let's choose other photo, and now I am searching for summer. Let's add a new page and let's choose a photo. Now we can go to edit, and here we will find filters. Let's click see all. We'll see a lot of filters. We can choose the filter and we can adjust intensity. We see how our photo changes. We can make it white and black. We can adjust intensity. We see new filters, color pop. If it suits us, we can click near the design. If we want to reset our photo, we can go to edit, filters, and here we can click none. And the last, let's see how we can duplicate our photo. The first way, we can click right button, click copy, click right button, and click paste. Or we can click Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Next, we can click Ctrl+D or right button and duplicate. Great, yes? And the last, we can click on the photo, click Alt key in the keyboard and just take and drag our photo. And here you go. So I hope you like this quick tutorial and see you in the next lesson.